inside the sea. Dangling feet from window frame. Will they ever?
Yeah, I like that one too.
I shall call you Pinky. Pinky the Spazoid. No!
Do that.
What's this magic?
This must be caution.
Yeah.
That's the one that usually goes at me.
Yeah, that's
caution.
that's caution.
Definitely
It just bit the mat.
Twice.
He didn't get any venom out though. I got him off before he got this.
Caution.
I have 2 of Caution's fangs from biting the frickin' mat and then getting one lodged in the handle of his hook.
Need more rats.
Hey, Florida people!